Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, Bose sound system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.